What to do? 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 My life. I love my life. I don't really care what people say. Self-love is the ultimate. Me, I love my life. We love our lives. Yeah. No, let's go now. Let's go there. Now pay the first one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got fun. I've been fun on this right now. What you say?
This is Mama K.
Oh, I forget put up for me without my consent. No.
Now I say, oh, be like that, no.
No, get fine.
You're fine.
Consent.
Without your consent. That's why I can't carry that friend. Consent. Yeah. That's my wife. If I be.
I better not show me like this.
You fine.
I'm not concerned.
You don't concern you. I love my wife. I love my wife. Anything I do for my wife. Anything I say, I buy for my wife. Oh, me I know they price. So, Epa Papa, Popo, Popo, Izzy Omoruyi. Who can go and marry? Izzy Omoruyi. Before you talk to me, be a married woman. I love to answer married women. I love my life. Yeah, married. Make sure you marry on a driving license. Men will come in. Where any? I get the way. Wahala for social media. And I can mind on the way better than girl loves me. They envy me. I like what I do. I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I do. Huh? Andy bam 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 bam. What you do? What you say? What you do? What you say? What you do? What you say?
What you do? What you do? What you say? What you do? What you do? What you say? What you say?
This is my favorite.
They call me the pity the fun. That's where you know.
You see, they show me.
If you don't love her, she can't use the bag.
This guy can look for trouble. A troublemaker. Is your husband a troublemaker? Is your husband a troublemaker? What you want?
Ladies and gentlemen, I got fun. I've been fun on this right now. What you say?
Now, who is my
No, bite me.
I think I don't know you.
No bite me, but
No bite you. No bite.
promise.
No bite you. What to do? Calm down.
I love my life. I love myself.
No bite you.
I won't bite you.
Anything I buy for myself.
Look at that.
You're not taking pressure. Party pop pop pop. Party pop pop pop. Party pop pop pop.
that the one with this? Okay.
Back up for me. I greet you, God with a smile. Go out for that here. The girl loves me. You thought it envy me. Share this video. I'm the bum. Hey, yo, boy, yo. What you say? What you do? 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 Huh? Share this video, guys. My life. I love my life. I love my life. What people say.
They call me the pity the farm, just where you know. If you don't love her, she can't use the back door.
Can use the back door. I agree to love no, but that's still out already. So please, guys, share this video. Share the video, guys. I want to talk to Izzy Omoruyi. She got one of her even and running in the fiefwa. I want to talk to Izzy because this night you come live with you. Thank you very much. We're not share this. It will turn up for the video. I want to talk to Izzy Omoruyi. What tag in the video now? What tag is he with the video now? One play Easy record for now. Easy record now one play for now. You get what? When I tag Easy, join this video, make it sit down, make the listing. What tag it? No, they don't watch a video now. Se tu vier salão chegou lá cachau. Ya salão chegou me na igbiaga. Vem ya salão muito pô. All right, let's go there. Oh, that's all right there. Please, guys, as you're watching this video, Sharon, let's listen to Izzy.
Nothing over. It's perfect. Vision away. Vision away. It's about way. It's not vision in me. Kakishime. Una gelo ne ni ya manu e. Who can make it away ni ya lawa. If I have a when you that video, I will tell you who I am. It over why I pick up a police don't primate. Because enough is enough. You want to win. This is not a joke anymore. Yo.
Izzy Omoruyi. Call sister Labogo. Comment ça? Oh yeah. Oh. Yako. Yame. Yo. Yako. Do media. Yame. Yako. Do. Yo. Yo. Yako. Yame. Do. I don't feel laugh. Hey, so we are zen. On a day, on my year no cagbili. If you know where I go, my well, no, here now, walk bewa, when my year were carry on my ene. Or say, I go in your way. If you know where I go, my well, no, here now, walk bewa, when my year were carry on my ene. Now I don't know Izzy Omoruyi, Oye Caesar, Oye Star. I don't know. Tosha Raka, who that way. I don't want to buy your mail. When I saw a way back, you would do a dog back here. I tell bear, I tell him I'll go on. I go all of bar. Diana, why I don't know if you had no zoom, I don't know be new, I don't need good of me good, I don't have coming on the radio. Not to Tanaka or Cadocadino, who that way. Oboa pegbepo nwi boyo Izzy Omoruyi aka the awuyore one of social media to tanu adan ho unda wa agbomogun atebogbe amogala na gbe na udari boy understand na tota no aka ho uta serio no ya nya gbagbagba mi we mega ye we video we no content no rare gbe kan yu no ho ah. You watch your ballet, ye Sharon. Nah, what Donisha. What your hey? Debonuzoy. We're not going to give you this issue a rest of Berak Bijua, Bewa. Who you black well in a rest of Bois. No soon with never. Gramacron at your memoir, more Moswo. Bless you don't know the talk for this platform. Vapolara Yagbi, Usu. Ugbewa. A boss said, "No deal, and deal like me, no bossy like me. No, you won't be acquainted with you when we hear a boo and you're not bored, whatever. No soon with never. No one a be only about loud, but Muna baby, you are no Bewagmo, no Bewamo, no you will be no so I could jack and a can with Wedgie. Who will not be someone not belly where you are, no Bewagmo. Now, what better a bijou agmo? Ogun gbo egbe Izzy. Ogun no gbo Izzy no gbo e. Agbe o. It dey o ehun ade ma no sun were ne woro wa ne ba bo lara we gbagbon. O na ni you no gbe won de ko ma ke me unlala won a. E no ye we pie mi je platform me mana gbe na ti we. Wa piku ayo bo discover ke na mo generation wa yi wa sun gwe ne boro wa bo lawe gbe laju egbe ni o ho ana wetin ya ko wo yan wa salo abi pogi abo lawa gbe o balon ni soro mi no lawa gbe bagbon nwa yu wa mu yere nwa lo dene o dene zila Izzy Omoruyi no ho Okin okpa wonji. Izzy Omoruyi. Okin okpa wonji. Who no ku he? Who no mighty gonna be by here? My mom. Why they want to walk big way? let this later be arrested. Arrest your bugwa. No why you wa be when was soon with the borowa. No go beragwa buju wa agbon wa vale wa agbon. Why you no boy no boy go Sharon. No Sharon tu wa mo be. Why tina give this matter a rest with Facebook. Why say TikTok wa yaro wi Sharon wa gbe wa agbon. No why o. Can you feel mo kwada mi omo? No wa soon with the borowa. Can you feel the government? Ni ba bola wa agbon. Wa gbe omo. Why you wa be kwa mi? Why say Facebook give this matter a rest? You push the rest of this matter. Why say TikTok in there? Why you saga Sharon? No wa soon. Abe useless illiterate. Igbe aga no go wa shi wele. Abe poto pekus. Awe ne ge, we ne kworo. Ashi wo ashi gwegwe. Awa shi blow. No you we quick on the madam. No you we before flat we yire wa. Wa gaga bagbon. When we are balance madam, obele go sumo money. Ale go pekus wa zaga. Nonsensical boy. Let me pick this call first. Nonsense. Hello, I talk by young woman water. Don't sir. Hello? Hello? Oh, network. Hello? What talk better? Tiene ronga kati. Gakati nusa digume. Gedi di city, money di city gwena. Hello? Hello?
What's in there too?
The bamba, the band, the bamba, the band, the banga, the band. What you do? What you do? What you see? What you do? What you see? This is the Omg County. Hello? Hello? Why not card before? Why I call over? That's a phone anywhere. What's hello? I love my life. I don't really care what people say. Share this video. Easy and it's going to be a short video. Why you call the story phone now? The nigga did look better. Because any call it your left phone now. It's distracting this my video. It's distracting this my video. It's distracting my video. Okay, make baby. She call it Diana.
First of all, I go to no show you because of Frank. Even when I tell you now, because of Frank, we can't get to the region now. We can't have a better case level now. I go to no show you because of Frank. Frank, not be saying now. Why would I go with one video? When I'm not a vision, yes, I don't want to pay.
We have all like we
pay times 100.
We have all like star. Star no yes is there. We have all like me. You want to hold war?
I will come and meet you in your house and I will report you to the police.
Okay.
My swear case.
Okay.
My swear case. Enough is enough. What's the matter? Yeah, why? The man tell you where. We are devil boy. Sharon, we are devil boy. Not get Frank. You know that road you get. Eh? We say that way. It's for Agua. Can you get away from one place to my dad? What shall my dad?
A week bovo can be Sharon or Yesharoa. A week bovo can be Yesharoa. A week bovo or can be Yesharoa. What are you? A best friend of ye, or best friend is Sharon. A week bovo can be Sharon. We will can boa. A week bovo can be Yesharoa. This is a woman who said Sharon is her best friend. He loves Sharon so much. They humiliated the mother, insulted the mother on social media. Iye Sharon my ladi odo gwan o. Iye Sharon my total video. So I tie boni ye easy or tie boni si. Izzy now came out categorically insulting Mama Sharon. Because here tie boni jime my did boy America because he may not be he make a corner. We are second about you know we make coffee and we make in a yakin. I'm not 22 years ago. You mean it's in a bay, okay, so I don't know what here, but you are just terrible for not to say because maybe my mother is gone and dead and gone and rotting. It's just really rotting things many years ago. So you are just wasting your time and wasting your energy. Now, right now, we Sharon, you me bogbina, ye Sharon, easy me bogbina. World bestie, you me bogbi Sharon, you saga ye Sharon in social media. Iza, it you say ye, I say buna meow jine. Oh, wagi my adam here. World bestie, water, Iza, carry on. Okay. 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 Are we going here? Bewa? Are we going here? Bewa? Oh, who does he?
I will tell you who I am.
Oh,
because enough is enough.
okay. Okay. Oh, we go for here.
This is not a joke anymore. Yeah, what in there too? At the end, the police will settle it between us because enough is enough. What is all this? Why I call it Frank? Why I go about? Then we're trying to hide it now. We're not calling Frank. We're not going Frank again. What are you trying to hide?
Smetti di fare trading solo per il gusto di farlo.
Devi non vuoi try to hide, no?
Fai trading e vieni pagato.
Yes, Sharon. Where say they call him media?
Oltre 80 milioni.
Yes, Sharon. Where try they call him me? Wow. Who call him? They like you call you. What calling now? Nizi why I call?
Why are you calling Frank? For what? For what reason?
Help, Baba. That means what I'm saying here is true. Frank is not saying lie. My network make boy. A network young winner. A network boy. Oh God, hey God. I wish now my house I did now for people do this saga for people. You for people collect woto. A network boy. So you there area. Bossy and nam ye we boji. When what ye bosse, when we are borise, when we are money dog buse. You know they work why? Because people are not honest. You people are not honest. Yes, Sharon has never in her life called me, say anything about Sharon's death or say anything about when all one and is no one as Susanga. Or say in a year, met 7 because we're war. She has never. The last time I communicated with you, Sharon, is about the GoFundMe, the raising of money for Sharon to be taken home. Is the reason. Because me I told my oh sorry ma, take out ma. It scratch me for ear. Because I don't want to say sorry ma. I don't eat what is sorry. You money a problem in me. That's my sickness. You understand? Oh, you think I don't know anything about you? See, I dare your room. Oh, my network me boy. You don't even know that person by so. Anybody with the no say go feel investigate the death of this girl. People they will they give an info 247. Ask you the piece for your room for your soccer way. They bring out your info, they give person. As you the shit, they give out your info, they give person. Your info go they come out way. You not go know until they come out. You go to suspect your mother self. Where could water? I bet you where you give information like that. I bet you where you bring information like that. You the shock as they see they come out way. I see man. All those women don't even like me. Sharon and the rest, they don't like me. Man like me. That's the truth. That's what they because they are very careful. Even if I call, they're careful to talk. They don't want to go talk anything we go implicate them. Mongwali no be Sharon we what you Sharon me. I called a sister. I called one of their sister, one of your Mama Sharon, Mama Sharon brother, wife. Now I call say I want to talk to Mama Sharon. When I went you do not call Sharon, I'm going to conference me with Sharon. Yes, my good Sharon go. She couldn't even talk. She don't even talk. She don't even talk. Say she can't chop belly food. Mama Sharon can't carry phone. Can't call me. Now Sharon family even called me, and as they called me, I record them. I play them. I know they do life. I know they do guru things. And they do my things very straight down. When they see them say, "Go Ramesh Izzy no see family my," I play them for social media, and it was a recording. I played the voice record. You understand me now? It made the voice record easy. Oh yeah, Mauji. Iya Sharon Maria phone in do team me no time tell them go mama. You was always war. When the man who were the man you were. E ma resta go yes Caesar. Oh yes Caesar. E manu wari lele. Their life is always cut short. Israel lele ukeke. E wadi mari bien ukeke se. E wadi mari en ukeke se ukeke pitapa. Ya lo boy da we da kera. Ayo le mo me na you botu. E wadi mari en pitapa se. What a study. Pitapa. Ogida baraki Canada. Ogida baraki Canada. E wadi mari en pitapa se. Hey. Okay, yo what up? Hey. Easy now your moji. Easy a tweet. To me rock ba. We guys explain. It be wo. Uwe ati eboni juwe. Ona da we gbe. We na miamia we karo vi ye Sharon ma ero yo we. Iye Sharon ma ti ebonu. E no ri da me se we. Oh pa me opo. Oh. Osalobua no egume bia mo no ho a. Osalobua. E moni hia ye kia me na bie. E mono enegbe yan akin agbon. Veni mazua unda ekme bi oyewu. Osalobua udazia. Baba do egume bia mo no zuwa. Eruni nani. Egume bi mo no degi yeki. Egume isalo. Can you just imagine? The thing see they do me somehow. To see oh baba egume bi mo no zuwa wala gbo me na. OKPAMEN na total easy na robi ye. OKPAMEN na ya take ways I can buy for easy. Oh God. Well. Oh wait, the no work se rozo. No me the no ru men we matana. Wan no me the no ru men we matana. We ka bo no ru men we ya. No go we matana all that is salty Mama Sharon. No hand that you be you go obi that no on a bal o bal woni mi na osok boy si o se toa o sorry easy na giore wa ya mi na we TikTok wo giason oze ni ado then ya this gogo ye shara we TikTok no be smarting the humiliate ya segbe pitolet no feel on me hakwa ah baba woman there a pitolet in running she have nothing to lose or failing not failing or losing me hand or losing me hand. She's lost, she's frustrated, she's depressed. So if you don't know even way near achieve life. I'm not with you, but so she can insult children, she can insult fathers, she can insult anybody insultable. I don't know the what the American video now. Ni we kemi ma be no gie we saga ma be no gie we saga tin na ma no gie ma saga agbe we mi dey me do vie picture no gie ladian. He has never done that. You understand my way? I respect that fact. The fact that we're okay. You know but they respect ourselves as fathers. In the VPT more like didn't want to be more. Does it call for? More make sense. You don't know me. If you Sharon ma we ni awe vie. If you ladian, mo babu vie Sharon. Or vie Sharon kwere. Na kewe social media sa saga social media. Nobody no post a picture of Sharon social media apart from the vie. Why am I cooling down talking because of concerning more? You give video enough fear for. If you are here you want to see, omo your due. Or here you want to see, you want to see you. Because you want to feel, because when you get egg with you, or what no ya la the relevance, or dey cannot dey kini. Oh my high, she's dead and gone on this media. If he is dead and gone, if he is nobody on this media. He's a retired military that has done blow, my blow. Nah, maybe Sharon, and I'm on Facebook. If you may be on a document, Rostra, Italy. If you may see the ticket, you know, say Italy, you don't need Sharon. Wow, you so much love Sharon, nothing such. Instead, you are insulting Sharon, insulting the mother, insulting the children. Because all where you understand? But nevertheless, Agbon here and the social media can we support Kia. They all know that you are useless. Or see any gina down again, damn even when they support you to a useless young man to a whole. You feel me so let me play this talkative video. We couldn't listen to her.
To go and meet these useless idiots. All vision because of what?
Is my neighbor now? Is my neighbor? You are my Is your
one? Is the egg one? But you still stupid idiots. No my neighbor all vision. For what reason?
They were not going to egg one. Where one?
Listen, men of were there.
Oh, we're telling you. No, we're telling you. What is there?
Men of were there. Can we are men? Men of were there. Every day I give you respect. I respect you because of years of but you don't. But who are the one vision? Why give Frank another vision? For what reason? For what reason exactly? I really want to know. What is your gain? What is your gain? Why are you doing all this? Why are you doing all this? For what reason? Why are you insulting my mom? For what reason? Eru go fa mo ya kan be regional. Okay. Kaya se ba be kike o go fe ya kan. Eru ma se ya, eru le ba se ya. Agboya you jealous everybody they jealous of you. Nobody no they jealous for this old age. Nobody we know, nobody never will gossip. Nobody never will now.
We are jealous. Only you know.
For your mind now, a frank I think busy man. A frank where the frank no busy man for your mind. Yeah, you are here. Original again. You are good. They Sharon and I will because several times to buy a teacher in Naijawatch. It's where a case where the region now. A problem where she. You know very well.
You went on him where did you?
Let me back this to bed. This is same Jew. Let back the first one. This is same Jew. Who got a lawyer? Come on, birth certificate. Come on, date of birth. A grandchild will mine. Is he me wet here? Is he me no ma pure more? Or time of birth certificate? Or how about date of birth? Who tell you, man? Oh, in my date of birth, a lawyer no date of birth. Me, we usually my date of birth granddaughter. Is he me wet here? Why hospital? Who teach me all the way here? Where the king will all the way hospital. For close even from death. Since I was all the way, all the way they are here. Just because of Sharon Maguwe, and to Magbe, with this Sharon and Manawe. Why when my own way? Then in my devil power. In our sir, and we owe you money. Why are you doing this? At the beginning, it's here where this thing stop it. Where we must swear. We must swear for that reason. You know, they are swear. A man friend to win at a smart. A smart over another gem not swear. You know very well. But when we like one talk, we like one manipulating man.
One working on the Germany on here talk boy. One working on the Germany on here talk boy. You know the person she's talking about now. Is that woman promise? That one I don't want to tell I bring one woman picture come out. Where I say now she go carry them out and go give her the Murphy. Where be say in Peking can call his son we see a lawyer. We any lawyer la TV. You know we lawyer TV. He barrister let's see. We now we lawyer he. Oh God, if like kill him be in social media. E matter Sharon now, avec me la que video to long. You understand? A lawyer now watch you live video me well. Now this my mother, you're talking about my mother, you know what I'm saying? I'm the lawyer, I'm not gonna do it, you don't want to take it. Oh my God. The sweetest part of it all, on the matter the insult worries Yaman. Sharon will bless him, I will say Sharon bless him, man. And then I may be going by your brother. He has Sharon at the good as a gift based on the mood of the matter. Because my sincerity, my honesty, and not that's gonna you see better marker, and not the so my a big land. 5 years not to tag bed. Now I'm not go. So yet it I wish Sharon a blessing, eh? Seriously. She makes everything works for me, you know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why you see me talking about it, and I'm saying it sincerely. I had to do about my own. Easy know your moji. Where at your bonny you where over your man? Or my do with my where you sort your man. You came out categorically. Am I insulting you where media? Easy know your moji. Listen. You didn't forget yourself. Go watch your part 1 to part 8 of the video you did. Nobody has ever insulted your mother before you came out on social media and start doing video. If you forget, make I remind you. You were doing video part 1 to part 8. Nobody don't insult your mama. Nobody talk about your mother. Nobody insulted you. They will always want you to come out and speak. Then you said you want to speak in a Nogi's platform. Later on, you say you're not going to speak in a Nogi platform, that you are money your friend. 2 days later, you ball out on your platform. And you did part 1. On one day, you did all to part 8. Easy, you forget so soon. In your video, you insulted Mama Sharon. From your part 1 to part 8, go play the video and listen to yourself. Where you raise insult on Mama Sharon. Why she? Nobody has insulted your mother. You raise insult on Mama Sharon. Okay, you get to hear whoever will that be. To say a lot of things on that video. To mia, to na me you said a lot of things on your videos. You're looking at me with my laptop here, that should be the next video you do. Your matter not go finish for media. I'm talking more about this man. You might want to tell me ya na ko be come away. Then matter come my for media na owo here for. You don't know me. I'm not guaranteeing you lose. You can't bring down already down. Now maybe that. Very useless human being. A muscle for that matter. I mean, what don't? And then you're holding here. You understand? Wait to them when. Ama. I acquire. I acquire the story when no one down here. Okay, no. Then you stress you will be. That's the truth. I will not stress you too much, but I will deal with you. Now this Facebook, I will deal with you. This Facebook. Go Calabineri, go Polizia, go any country, anywhere, any lawyer, judge, where you want to go on. Call me, I will deal there with you. You may be there, my guy. Don't play. You understand? I get evidence of everything where I talk. All stories about your mother for Radio Abila, the evidence is me. I know the Radio Abila, your master story, they by fan. I never come out. They will go sit down for your master story. You go peace for us that day. I go peace for your pisty. You never say anything. You never go sit down for your master story. Easy. Then you have to tie your story, you'll give you a star. No, this is that. I'll peace for your pisty that day. I'll spoil your gen. That day now you gonna see the Franklin Amos Wogli no. I'll spoil your gen. Because every day evidence about your mom, I don't get them tight. You forget say for that radio so Nigeria people did there. Asian did there. Benin did there. You understand? Yoruba did there. Igbo people they did there. Which they hear our language and they speak and clear. They understand everything when we talk. All the stories where you go on there, they hear everything. They know you people, they know your mother, they know Sharon, they know Ma Sharon. Then they follow me, they watch. As all these stories they go on, the Radio Emila people they follow up, but the way they walk, they put earpiece for you, they hear everything. Where for the match like they call you say, bro, stop it like that. See I take play, see I take play. See what him man do, see what him. See the name where they call my man. Now me talk say I'll bring a man to come out. I don't bring a come out. See the name where they call my man. You understand? See the time when man say that abroad. See what him man do. See what him man do. Now social media you did, auntie. If you not know, make you know. This will not be movie. Oh. This will not be movie. This one a live video, live broadcast. This is not movie editing, come edit and cancel action, cuts. This won't be action and cut too. Oh God. Oh, you do see that if you write with your eyeglass for eye like Obama, they write at the end of the day, edit, cut, action, DOP, customer, production manager, location manager, director, editor. This will not be you. So now straight host, live video presenter, straight word to true life story. True life story that would not come. You could watch out with your cloak eye like this, see it happen live. You understand? Or even on sooner that way now. I might as well go anyhow. Or Havana. Whenever I do video, man, I just want so boy you anyhow. You know or shot. Or shot. Man, understand? I might as well have your body you wear. Me might just best story you wear. Me might as well guy you wear. You wear come on, you have fear with Von with you. You have fear with you with you. No guy in here live video. One straight human hair where you see carry comments now for the past. All him say 1 week you don't know all why we live until not be so they do broadcast. They still they change shirt, they change shirt, they spray perf before you do live video. You understand? They change style. It's very important. I feel with my sister. You understand? More coordinator. I change style. Why we talk about you why we be doing this thing? I make sense.
Concrete.
It's too long.
Concrete with Rachel Manam. Also, when this whole matter. Concrete is smart. Mr. Smart. Oh, we're not playing the journey. Also, when this whole matter with Eddie Murphy. You know the truth. But you will not face the truth because I refuse to saga Eddie Murphy for you. We're not doing more, man.
What with you? What with you?
Yeah,
You say because he refused to saga Eddie Murphy for her. Can you just imagine? Is it where I will know? Eddie Murphy go work bijou. Did you where to saga Eddie Murphy? Eddie Murphy go work bijou. Eddie Murphy make a go and social media. Eddie Murphy go work bijou. You feel reply? You don't feel reply. Now you want coffee saga Eddie Murphy when Eddie Murphy the saga Masharo? Are you kidding? You dey okay? Anyway, I will know. Wait before because we saga Eddie Murphy. We got to saga Eddie Murphy. Can you chest Eddie Murphy? That's the problem. They make me laugh. Who that you make Eddie Murphy ni Sharon? We got to take Eddie Murphy. When you move, see what you talk about. You were zuo. Or how they move where we do mado saga Eddie Murphy. Or who is zuo? You are born large work. Where is saga Eddie Murphy? Can you work where combat work? Where I tell Eddie Murphy saga? This guy I don't really see. You don't see. Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy was me for now. Eddie Murphy make go to no. One go that way. One saga Frank me. Where is that guy me? Frank Amazua. I know say you are a disgrace. I'm a disgrace to my family already. We make a disgrace me. But we're going to tell you Frank Amazua. You are a disgrace to all men. You are a disgrace to all men. If I get the way I go, almost was Gilliwakin. Gilly more the bitter. Almost was Gilliwakin. On your saga. You only be male child the women. You are a mugger. Yeah. You are a muggerologist. See, one kidney. You are a mugger. You are a mugger. You are a mugger promat. I say you are a mugger promat. Rakamaza. So remember, you know, you is a useless mother. You may useless if you neck be your keko and you may say a rotty mother. I say rotty mother. 22 years ago, all keko are you eating? So, well, just leave me alone. I'm a useless human being already. But I'm very useful to my family and my children. Fibina. Wow, if I ball out, I go on here. Why for me, madam? Not no matter what be. We a big man on Zua. That ball bullies you here. You and star Caesar. Now gaga. Wonderful. Nonsensical boy. Alright, my people, I greet you all. We better start. Me and go join my wife for shopping. We just keep to market to do shopping. You know what I'm saying? This market we do shopping. Just the outside, you understand? We do corners. We do shopping. You finish so. So now say just be. Don't play.